Right guys, so today's project, I want to turn this hunk of scrap aluminium into a tool holder for the quick change tool post, because I want to be able to mount a drill in the tool post. That will allow me to drill holes on different PCDs easily and quickly. Hopefully it will work. So first process is just going to be hacksawing this big lump off. Then I'm going to square it all up using a 4-jaw chuck and see how much material we will have to work with. Once I've done that, I can figure out the profile for cutting the dovetails. Since I don't have a proper milling machine, I'll probably do most of it with a hacksaw and a file, but we'll see how it goes. And then we'll figure out a way of mounting the drill. So after over half an hour of hacksawing, I managed to cut through it. Now I've converted the lathe back to the 4-jaw chuck, and I'm going to try and face it off, make the whole block square. See how it goes. Alright, so I've managed to face off the saw marks. Now I just need to go another couple of millimetres, maybe about 5 or 6 mils, and I'll get rid of this feature down here. And then once it's all flat, I'll be able to flip it over to the back side. Now I'll mount it using paper soft jaws, machine the remaining sides, and hopefully we'll have a reasonably squared up block by the end of it. Right, so I've now managed to face off the first side completely. So I'm going to deburr it, flip it over, face off the back side. So I've faced off both of these faces. Now I've got it mounted back in the chuck using some paper to try and protect the surfaces. So I'm going to try and face off this face and the back face. I'll take very light cuts as it's got a huge amount of overhang. But this face is already pretty parallel with the back face and should hopefully be square with these two faces, but we'll see how it goes. Probably take about 0.2 millimeters at a time. Once that's done, rotate it again and do the remaining sides. I'm not sure if I'm going to remove the big sticky out bit from the back yet, but we'll see how it goes. So I've roughed in the big block now, and I've measured up the angles just using a square. And this face and the back face, they are skewed, but the remaining faces are all correct. So I've remounted this in the chuck, and I've checked or adjusted it so that the DRO reads same number along here, same number along here, across length, so it's not reading much skew. Like it might be 0.01 of a millimetre from here to here, which is within my tolerance. So as you can see, I'm not sure if it shows up very well in here, but where it's mounted up here, there's a gap on the top one, but at the bottom there's not. So it just goes to show how far out of skew it was, and that's about the same sort of size as the gap we're getting with the square. So now I'm just going to face it off again, and hopefully it comes out square, and then flip it over.